Hi, it's Dr. Jamie Barnier. I'm a clinical psychologist in private practice in Melbourne. I completed Kate's WordPress SEO course and her big SEO course in 2018. Heading into both courses, I had really little idea about what SEO was. I knew what the acronym stood for and that it was important, but beyond that, I really had no clue. I had a website that had been developed by a developer some years ago, and every time I wanted to make changes to it, I had to, of course, pay developer fees, so the cost of that really started to add up. Some of the changes I made along the way after completing Kate's courses was switching over to the Divi theme. That for me was something which is quite easy to do, and moving forward I can make a lot of the changes that I need to make to my website on my own, which has saved me quite a bit of money. I had a developer, someone that Kate had recommended, complete a site audit of my website. Unbeknownst to me, my site had been compromised some time ago, and thus it wasn't crawlable on Google. So if you search for Dr. Jamie or drjamie.com.au, the results wouldn't come up in the Google search listings. The only way that you could get to my website was by putting in the URL directly. And lastly, I changed servers and managed to get my site speed down to under 3 seconds. So I got an awful lot out of doing both of Kate's courses. Very grateful. The only regret I have was that I didn't find the courses sooner. Probably would have saved me a lot of money. So thank you, Kate.